I just want to show y'all a close-up video of what I want them to look like. You see how they're starting to turn? Most of them have turned, but not all of them.
Baby, you should get to know me. Tapping into that good energy.
Hey y'all, what's poppin'? By the title of this video, y'all already know what this video is about. But first, I just want to say, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay? Also, don't forget to hit that bell so you can get all of my notifications from when I drop a lovely video. But today, we're going to do a wig install because this video is highly requested. Some parts will be a voiceover, some other parts won't. Don't mind me, I'm just looking up and stuff. But let me show y'all what my hair is looking like right now. Because this is I think like a week and a half install. So this needs to get done. Like it's starting to come up right here. This part is already up. It doesn't even look so good. It's definitely sliding back and I can tell. But you see this? Yeah. Ooh, that air feels good because it's underneath the lace. But the air feels really, really good. But right now, I'm just about to take this off my head, wash my wig. I'm not going to show y'all how I wash my wig, only because I want to do like a whole different video on that. You know, me like washing my wig, how I get the glue off and stuff like that. So that's definitely going to come up really, really soon. But I'm about to take this off my head, wash this wig, and then I will be back when I'm going to apply it, do my ball cap method, the glue, blow drying my wig, and just everything, y'all. But right now, we're about to get into this hair. Yeah, this looks a mess. Can't y'all see? But yeah, I'm about to take this joint off and stuff, and I'm going to see y'all in the next clip. Okay, y'all, so I had made a video, okay, and I didn't even have my cap on my head, okay. I'm not posting that, like, yo, I'm fucking dead right now. I'm dead right now because I literally didn't even have my cap on and I was making a video, you know. I thought I was looking perfectly fine, but when I just watched it, I was like, no, I'm not about to come on here like that. I'm not about to come on here like that. So I was just like, I'm gonna just start off with, you know, just seeing the cap on my head and not without it on my head. But I use knee highs for my installs. I love to use knee highs. I never really use like a regular like wig cap. Now the knee high, it comes on here. I get these from Kroger. I'm gonna see if I can find a photo of what they look like on Google or something, and I'm gonna insert it up here or up here, or it might just be like in front of me. I don't know, but it's gonna be somewhere. But before I put this cap on my head, I washed my face really, really good. Okay, I washed this whole top part of my hair with shampoo. It's still a little wet, but that is okay. Now I'm just pushing back the hair, so when I put my Got to Be gel on there and stuff, and the spray, it doesn't look too crazy, you know? But I like to use knee highs because it's thin, you know? Really is. This is the darkest brown shade that I think that they have at Kroger. So I just got my scissors. Right before I spray my Got to Be spray and I put my Got to Be gel on my cap, right before I do that, I cut the holes where my ear is. Now you want to do this, I'm trying to explain it. you just want to make your hole small first, because you don't want your hole to be too big, like, you know. Okay, that's enough. I cut it really little, and you're just going to slide your ear out. Okay, you see how this part right here is not all the way up here, you know, it's not loose, like it's on, you know, like it's snugged. I'm about to do this side. This side is snugged as well. Now, some people put glue on here. I don't like to do that. I mean, I never tried it, but I just don't really think that I would like that. Only because, you know, it's glue, you know, and it's going to get on your scalp. I'd rather get this on my hair and my scalp and stuff. I'd rather get this on there because this comes off with soap and water, like easy. But putting glue like on your cap, I don't know. Maybe I might try it one day, but now I'm just gonna take some Vaseline gel, the clear one. Now you could use the white one, but I just use this one. So look, okay, you're just gonna go like this across. Now we're not gonna get any more because that's enough. All of this, we just gonna do this because you gotta remember we are also gonna put our Gossipy spray on here too. Well, actually, yeah, because I need a little bit more. Now, make sure when you put your Gossipy gel and your spray on your cap, make sure you are getting right here where your, not ears, but what are these, your temples? I don't know, but right here, just make sure that you really get it like down here a little bit more and just not up here, because you want the cap to kind of get right here too. Now that was enough for that. Now we're gonna go ahead, take the Gossipy spray. Now I like to really just put a little bit of this on here because we already have the gel. So I'm just gonna like spray it like right here, here and here, and then just move it around. Cause I don't gotta do all of that, like that's doing too much. Now, yeah, that's enough. I don't even need all that cause this is already gonna lay down and stuff. I think I just wanna put like a little bit more. So let me just show y'all what the back of this cap is looking like now. When I put it on my head, it was looking like this, okay? Don't cut this, because if you cut this, this is just going to like spread. So I take it and I tuck it in the back, okay? Now we're about to take our blow dryer and we just gonna blow dry it. Now I put it on cool and I put it on warm, you know, because I just be wanting it to dry fast, but I want it to dry nice. So I feel like that's why I also put it on the cool setting as well. But we about to just speed up the whole blow drying part. Now we about to see if this is dry. Okay, so it's still a little wet right here. Now, you really want to make sure that it's also dry all right here. Now this side, okay, see, it's still wet like right here a little bit on this side and on this side, so I'm about to blow dry that. Okay, y'all, so my hair is actually, not my hair, but the cap is actually dry right now, so we are about to cut the, where's my scissors? We about to cut the cap. Now I gotta put my glasses on because I can't see anything. but you see how it's dry right now? It's dry and it's thin. It's really, really thin. And y'all are going to see that once I cut it. Okay. First I start up here. You see? Do you see how thin that looks? Like, okay. And you just want to just cut, y'all, along the, be careful to not cut yourself. Now, I recommend that you get some small scissors like these. Okay. I gotta take these off because I can't see anything. I gotta get up real close. Okay. Ooh, that felt good on my ear. So that got cut. And I gotta fix that. I just wanna do this part as well. Ooh, that feels so good on my ears. Y'all just don't understand. Ooh. So now the back of your cap is gonna look like this. You could cut this off, but y'all, I just tuck it. I just tuck it, so it's like that. Now, we about to pretty much just get closer, you know, like cut down this that's folding up, you know. Okay, y'all, so you see how, like, do you see how this looks right now? I just want to point that out to y'all, okay? Like, I really, really, really do, because, yo, like, it's giving scalp. Like, it's giving what it's supposed to give. Scalp. But if you guys see any pieces that are rolling up or something, make sure that you cut those. Be careful so you don't cut yourself. Okay, so you see how it looks right now? It looks perfectly fine. Like, it looks really, really good. So right now, before we wipe our forehead and stuff with my alcohol pads, I'm going to see how my wig is looking to see, like, if I gotta cut back some of the cap and stuff. Take these off. So I had washed my wig earlier, and I definitely will have a video on that, on how I get the glue and everything off of my lace. But right now, I'm about to tighten my straps. Ooh, I'm about to fall off my head. Oh, I really cannot see anything. Y'all, I really have to keep putting my glasses back on because I cannot see a single thing. Okay, do y'all see that? Hold on. Okay, so on this flap, I gotta take some of this off. So I'm just gonna peel the lace back a little bit, not a lot. Okay, so we just got done cutting that off. There we go. Now let me see if I can put some hair to the joint just like that. Okay, yeah, y'all. Okay, so right before we wipe it off again, we're going to put my powder on my lace. So actually, first I want to wipe off my all of this, my forehead and stuff off with my alcohol. Make sure you really get it good, like get all right here where your ear is. Clean and dry forehead. Now when you're doing this, be careful because your cap is going to come up a little bit, which is okay. All you gotta do is just cut that down. That's what I'm about to do when I'm done wiping this off. on this part. Now we finna put the makeup on my lace. I don't even want to put, y'all, I don't even put makeup on my cap because what's the point? You know, like it's already brown. Like you guys see how thin it looks. Like this is really a ball cap, you know? But I'm just taking my Fenty Beauty bronzing powder. You gonna turn the wig? No, because usually I would turn it inside out, but I don't really like to do that. So we just finna go right here. And this is great hair, y'all. This is great hair. I'm also gonna put some clips in of when I had bleached this hair, when I was plucking the hair, when I first got it. I'm also gonna insert that in here with you guys. Hopefully you guys can see how this is looking. Let it sit for about 40 minutes. See how it's a few black right there a little bit. And then like all of this turned, damn, that really turned a lot. I need to rinse this. Yeah, I think it's time. I think I'm about to rinse it. I think it's done. It's been like 15, like 20 minutes. So we finna rinse this and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all. Okay guys, so the wig is drying right now. I just wanted to show y'all how it's looking right now. I was a little nervous because I was like, I hope it's not too bleached, y'all. I always get nervous whenever I bleach my wig. Like the knots, I always get a little nervous. But to me, it seemed perfectly fine. Lace all together. Now, I didn't really need a lot of powder really because I had bleached these knots really well. So proud of myself. So y'all, right now I just have a stick. The glue that I use is the Bold Hold Extreme Cream. Okay, Extreme Hold. Okay. It says that it's waterproof, but I don't really know about that. I mean, I never really tried it, so. But, oh, okay. So, let's fix this again. This install's gonna be really nice as well. So, y'all, what I like to do so all this hair is out of my way, usually I would have bought some pump up mousse and just put some mousse like all right here so it's out of my way, but we're going to use water. Because we don't want any of these baby hairs and stuff to be getting in the glue, y'all. Like, you don't want it to be like that. So, now that that's done, here's my hair clip. Oh well, I don't have time to find that, so we just want to use this hair tie. This hair is back. So is this, no flyaways. We already wiped our lace off. Our forehead off with the alcohol. I think I'm going to do it one last time because I just had this wig on my forehead with the makeup and stuff. So we're going to do it one more time. Lightly, nothing too much. Light, get the ears, all of that. We're going to take a little bit of glue, guys. And we're going to push our wig back just a little bit. And we're just going to do like a few dots. Well, I don't even do dots. I just do like snap, hold up. Alright, there we go. Why is this acting like this? Wait, what? Why isn't this coming out? Oh, whoa. Oh, snap. Oh, that's hella glue. But y'all see, I'm just putting it on my cap. We want everything to always blend out evenly and smoothly. I don't know what this is. So, see how it's drying fast already? We're gonna take some more. Okay, now the glue, it wants to behave. That's enough. Make sure you really get your ears too, y'all. Well, not your ears, but like ears, the side of your wig too. Make sure you also get that. Now we're gonna let that dry for a little while, but make sure that you also are getting the tips of the cap, okay? Because you want the cap to be, you know, you want your cap to just be really laid down. Just wait a little bit until it gets like, until it starts to get clear as it's doing right now. And we are about to put our wig on. Now you really want to make sure that you already have your part made or whatever, so you really can tell like where you want your wig to go. Now I'm gonna take my comb and I'm just gonna okay, so some of my lace is up a little bit because I didn't put glue right there on some pieces. So we are about to put some glue on these pieces that are up. Now y'all, I have very, very little glue right now because I gotta put some here, here, and then I think on this side too. But let's just put a little bit right here. We're gonna let that dry a little bit. I actually need some more glue. I didn't think I would need any more. But a little bit of this is still up a tad bit. But this is already dry. Okay, so y'all, we are about to, we are about to take some Got2b spray. Take a tad, y'all. Put it on the tip of the lace. This way. Now, I'm gonna take my elastic band. I'm going to to tie down our hair with the elastic band. Okay. Hold up, because I see a part. Okay. That is laying down our lace. And now we will dye our hair. But as this is laying down. Oh, I love this. Like just how this looks right here. We are going to blow dry our hair. Where is my clip? I need to find my clip. I'll be right back. Good. I found the hair clip, so we are about to blow dry this pretty hair. So I was like, I need my clip. I need my clip. Nah, I'm messing with you. Okay, so right now it's halfway dry a little bit. So we're going to take our olive oil silk and shine heat protection serum infused with coconut oil. This will look good, y'all. It smells so good. But we just want to take a little bit, probably like this much. Can y'all see that? The shine. Oh, this smells amazing. This, oh, look how pretty this is. This side is finished, nice and dry. I think I'm gonna put my hair in 2 braids for tonight, and then tomorrow I think I'm gonna do like a nice silk press on my wig. But we're about to do this side, and I'm finna speed up this whole part for this one, y'all, because you already seen me do this. Okay, so this is, you know, a little bit dry. So we're gonna do the same thing we did to the other side, y'all. Take a little bit of this. I love smelling it. It smells so good. Okay, so we're gonna take this off. Now, I really can never take this band off with tying it from the back, so I take it off like this. Oh, oh, my ears feel so good. Oh, all right, let's see what we're working with, y'all, because I can't see nothing without these glasses on. Okay. Okay. I don't know, we did pretty good. We about to fix this part first. That's all we had to do, but we about to do some baby hairs right now. I need to invest in one of those tiny straighteners so I can do this, but definitely need to invest in one of them. Like I said, I do new baby hairs every single time I do my wig. See, that's so much better. But I think I want to make this hair up here a little bit shorter. I finally got this the way that I wanted it to be a little bit. Okay, now we're about to do our sideburns. I have mousse all on my hand, just dripping. But we are about to do, I'm trying to find the comb right here. We about to do our sideburns. Now lately my sideburns been really thick and I don't want to go for that look right now. So we're gonna try and do a whole nother thing. See how this is coming up and stuff because the mousse. When I lay it down tonight, and when I go to sleep, when I wake up in the morning time, it's gonna look so much better. Because it's starting to come up. Damn, this is really all on my hand right now. But I don't wanna have such thick sideburns right now. Okay. Damn, this mousse really dripping down this joint. Yeah, cute. I didn't want my joints to be too long. I love it, actually. Okay. I'm really doing this to get some mousse off my damn hand. Okay, see, cute, simple. We're just gonna keep it like that. Cute. And right now, y'all, it looks mousse down, so it looks hard and stuff like that. But in the morning time, I think I'm gonna put these in the same video. Let me look at this coming down with this. But in the morning time, I'm going to straighten this hair really good. Or I might crimp it again, I don't know, but we are about to put this hair up for tonight. And I'm about to stop this video, but I'm gonna show you how I tie my hair up at night first. We're gonna wrap it around. Wrap. Wrap it around just like this. Okay. And we're gonna take our hair tie. And we wrapped it. Now tomorrow, I think I'm gonna fix this part. Cause that's nice and all, like, I love how I have like a little swirl here. I don't got a swirl here, it's just straight. Probably gotta cut a little bit more hair. I'm about to show you how I tie my hair up at night. First, we're gonna straighten up this part a little bit. I just wanted to train this part, meaning just separate it real nice when I go to sleep, when I get up in the morning time, you know, it's being trained, it's already parted. Now I'm about to just show y'all really what I do. So we finna take some spray again, put it on the ends of our hair. Take our silk. Should I use my silk? I'm gonna use my other scarf. I said I wanted to use my regular scarf, you know. I'll put this on here, lay this down. Dang, tomorrow should I straighten my hair? I'm thinking about it, but y'all already remember that I was telling y'all about my bonnets. Look how big it is. Huge. This used to be my old logo, Now Beauty. Now my brand name is called In Beauty, but it's reversal, so you can either wear it like this just like this. Cover our sideburns up. And